Hey guys, what is up? We're here with another video, and I've already had to record this 2 times. Um, um, Yay. We're just gonna continue what I finished off. You see there's a blue highlighted circle here. There's a green one here. If you equip the pet, so look at the left, bottom, right, whatever that's called. Bottom left. I got 6 out of 6. And then here is for the stats of the pet. And then you can put one right here for the cosmetic. So now the lantern will have the stats of whatever pet's above it, which basically makes every pet good. Just whatever pets you like the most. Whatever pets are really rare but they're really weak, you can now change them to be strong by using the stats of another pet. It's sort of showing them off, you could say. So yeah, that's cool. I would have never thought this would be a thing, really. But yeah, now you can see that 2 of my spots are taken by Lantern and Juice, but they have the stats of, Atom and Mini George, I mean. Also added in the update, oh, I hate when I have to record with this recorder. Don't use this recorder if you need to record, by the way. We have a new crate. It's got a cool color. What do you call that? Tealish, upwardish, green. But it's for 200,000 gems. I don't have any money because I spent all my money in the previous video. And it broke, so I can't upload it. But the first one didn't have a mic, the second one crashed. So yep. Now a tier 11 common has the stats of 7 times 7 speed multiplier times 3.40 ectotoke multiplier. That goes for cotton candy, turnip head, pineapple, and seafoam. My favorite one is probably pineapple. The tier 11 uncommons have the stats of times 10 speed multiplier and 4.59 times ectotoke multiplier, aka Sunday and bungle and popcorn. I like popcorn the best out of that. The tier 11 rares have the stats of times 19 speed multiplier and times 8.19 ectotoke multiplier. That goes for Puppers and Fireball. Fireball is my favorite for that, and probably my favorite out of all of these, minus maybe the Godly. It might be better than the Godly. That's cool. And then we've got Paradise with the stats of times 37 speed multiplier and times 15.40 ectotoke multiplier. Then we've got the Godly called Sunlight, I think. I think it's got the stats of like 80 something. So that's pretty good, pretty decent. I presume that gave me a headache. I presume a classified will be added in that box in probably about 3 updates. Could be next update, could be 2 or 3 away. So about a month or a month and a half. Probably just 2 weeks, but a month and a half max, I think. What else has been added? Boven's questlines got updated. I can't show it off because I basically finished it. So, like, oof. Store. In the store, we've got the Legendary Widow board for 400 Robux. It's sort of a weird background choice because it sort of blends in with the highlight of the red. But there are red highlights on the board. It's going in a week. The Godly Digighost pet with the stats of 80.20 times ectotoken speed multiplier, I mean, and times 33.40 Ectotoken multiplier for 80 Robux will be going also in a week. And the Godly Cog ship, which is an animated board. As you can see, the two cogs on the sides are moving. For 650 Robux is going next update, aka in 2 weeks or a fortnight. Whatever you want to say. I normally say fortnight. Now, what else has been added? Bug fixes, of course, we've got the bug fixes every update. The performance improvements, I'm assuming they just reduced some lag and stuff. I think that's it. And now, finally, I'm going to remember saying this before I do the codes, but if you want to do the codes, every new code besides the OG3, you need to be in the Block Spike Games group for that. The Roblox group. I'll have a link in the description as well as their Twitter, the game, my Discord server, a bunch of stuff like that, their Discord server. Yeah, more of that at the end of the video. First code, R1FT, R1, R1, right, I've got trouble typing it. Is the universe just not wanting me to record right now? Or is it just me typing R1? Well, this is helpful. Okay, can I use this to write it? R1. The universe doesn't want me to type. It literally doesn't want me to type. I can't type anything. Well, you're gonna have to go off voice, because I can't edit my videos, because debut sucks, and it's like the worst at you. The code is R1FT, so it doesn't have to be capital, I believe, but capital R, and then the number 1, and then capital F, and capital T, for a Godly Purple Pegasus, Tier 3 Godly, for a wait, I think I should be able to type now. Nope. For a normal Firefly, get that beautiful Firefly in your inventory. You will be able to get it by using the code just Firefly, FIREFLY. Simple. For Dave, you need to put the code in SPAC3. For the what's that? For the new board, you need to use the code. Let me check. Vanity. 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 To give you a new board. I think it's a rare board. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. So while I'm sucking this ghost up, we'll end it. Anyway, subscribe now. Subscribe if you're new, hit the like button to show support, hit the bell to never miss a video. Follow me on Roblox at Snowy Looks at the Drama Game will possibly be in a video. Join my Discord server if you want to be in some giveaways. We'll be giving away some godly pets and boards in Ghost Sim, maybe some godly pets and guns and knives in MM2, some jailbreak vault safes, some maybe some Robux, all fun stuff like that. So yeah, join it, link in the description below. Also, we'll be doing game nights, or technically game days. Today's technically a game day, so you know we got all day to play some Ghost Sim if you want, some jailbreak, whatever games you suggest, we'll probably do. Only rules is it's got to be mature, and it's got to be like, you know, if there's multiple people suggesting a game, and we're in the middle of one, obviously you'll have to wait. But yeah, we will play a bunch of fun games. I've also got my Roblox group where I'm sort of making merch. Don't check the store currently. The merch, I've gotten better over time, we could say. Why is it every time I click space that comes up? Anyway, I'm making more merch. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's better. It is a lot better. But still needs a lot of work. Talking about merch, about 3 days ago, I made a video about me creating a Vix tier list for all of his merch, which I did. Vic saw the video. That was cool. He enjoyed it. That's even better. So go check that out if you want. Also, I've updated the tier list, so the shirt I'm wearing right now is on there, which is the jailbreak. Did I just say jailbreak? The Vix jacket merch. 1K. I'm assuming this is also going to be limited. I don't know for how long. Go get that. I think it's 5 Robux. That's on the list. I didn't want to make a separate video just because I added one shirt on the list. But yeah, there's that. So that's it basically. I'm ending the video before this video deletes itself or something because I do not want that to happen. So anyway, bye bye everyone.